Mastering the overhead pass in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, overhead pass. This is a term that's often heard in sports commentary and various other contexts. Stick with us to understand not just its meaning, but also how you can use it in everyday conversation. Overhead pass is a term primarily used in sports, such as basketball or volleyball. It refers to a type of throw where the ball is passed above the head of other players. The motion is typically from behind and over the head, using both hands. But it's not just a sports term. It can also metaphorically describe an action that goes above the usual level of something. In a literal sense, an overhead pass requires skill and precision. It's a strategic move used to outsmart opponents on the field. For example, in basketball, a player might use an overhead pass to get the ball to a teammate who's closer to the basket. Figuratively speaking, when someone says they made an overhead pass in a business meeting, they might mean they surpassed expectations or bypassed some lower-level discussions to address the main point directly. Let's see it in action. In basketball, she excels at the overhead pass, making her an invaluable player. His proposal was an overhead pass. It directly addressed the CEO's concerns, skipping the minor details. And that's a wrap on overhead pass. Whether you're watching a game or trying to describe a clever maneuver in life, this phrase can be your go-to expression. Hope you found this explanation helpful. See you in the next video.